Alright gardeners, let's settle one of the hottest debates in natural soil boosting: cooked rice or raw rice. Who wins the microbe race? If you're like me, you want your garden soil alive, thriving, and ready to supercharge your plants, and you want it fast. Well, you might be surprised to learn that the secret weapon could be hiding right in your kitchen. Here's what I found: both cooked and raw rice are packed with the carbohydrates soil microbes crave. Think of them as all-you-can-eat buffets for the tiny life in your soil. But here's the kicker: microbes, just like us, prefer food that's easy to eat. Cooked rice, it's soft, hydrated, basically pre-digested. Add it to soil and within as little as 12 hours, you'll notice warmth, a hint of fermentation, maybe even fuzzy white fungal threads, clear signs that your soil is waking up. Want to see it yourself? Mix 1 cup of cooked rice with a liter of non-chlorinated water. Let it sit 2 hours, strain, and pour the liquid around tired plants. In 48 hours, that patch of soil will be buzzing with new life. What about raw rice? It's the slow burn champion. Hard, dry, and locked up tight. It takes way longer for microbes to break it down, but that also means it feeds your soil steadily, week after week, without overwhelming it. So which is better? If you need results yesterday, go cooked. For long-term, steady nourishment, raw is your friend. Want the best of both? Use cooked rice water for a quick jumpstart, then raw rice water to keep the microbial party going. Trust me, I've seen dull, lifeless beds come back with deep green growth and fluffy, rich soil, all from this simple kitchen trick. Gardening doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes the answer is as simple as rice. Try it out. Let me know what happens, and if you want more natural soil hacks, hit subscribe. Your garden and your microbes will thank you.